when we are calculating the minority interest, obviously we will add up their share, that is share capital, and whatever bonus issues have been shared to them, that will also be added. And while giving away their total profit, so whatever is the share from pre-acquisition of their bonus issue will be deducted. Right? Now we come to the second source. So let me just show you. So the second source is when, yeah, I'm sharing the screen, when the bonus issue is out of post-acquisition profits. Now what is happening here is that you are issuing these bonus shares from the post-acquisition profit. So earlier we used to deduct from the pre-acquisition, but now obviously when you are actually issuing from the post-acquisition, you will deduct it from the post-acquisition. So therefore, all of you please come to page number 12.56. Let me explain this to you. So the first thing is you have to deduct the amount of bonus issue, whatever bonus issue you are, issuing. Earlier what we used to do, we used to deduct it from the pre-acquisition profit, but now we are actually giving it out of post-acquisition profit. So we will deduct it out of the revenue surplus, or which is also known as post-acquisition profit. So first you're going to deduct the bonus issue, the revenue surplus, before the holding company and minority are calculated from the revenue surplus. But what does it mean? We know that minority interest has certain share in the post-acquisition profit. We also know that holding, whatever holding, अगर हम reserve and surplus में जो डालेंगे, उसका भी post-acquisition का कुछ profit होगा. तो उस calculation को करने से पहले, सबसे पहले हमें revenue surplus में से वो amount of bonus issue deduct करना पड़ेगा. Okay, that's the first thing. When we'll do it, you will understand. Just let me tell you the content first, or the theory first. Now this bonus shares, whatever bonus shares you have obviously issued, similarly क्या करते थे पहले हम, जो cost होती थी उसमें ये bonus issue add करते थे. Similarly यहाँ भी हम add करेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ cost of control change हो जाएगा. वहां पे क्या होता था कि net effect नहीं होता था, 50,000 add होता था bonus issue में, तो 50,000 minus भी होता था pre-acquisition share में. लेकिन यहाँ क्या होगा, हम ऐड करेंगे 50,000 बोनस इशू में, दैट मींस शेयर कैपिटल तो आपकी 50,000 से इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, बट दैट इज पेड अप वैल्यू तो आपकी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, लेकिन पोस्ट एक्विजिशन तो हम लेते ही नहीं, हम तो प्री एक्विजिशन लेते हैं, वो डिडक्ट नहीं होगा. सो देयर विल बी सर्टेन इफेक्ट, सो व्हिच मींस यू डिडक्ट बोनस शेयर्स फ्रॉम द कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्वायरिंग और या तो ये कर लो, increase the capital held by holding in subsidiary company. Thirdly, you will calculate the minority interest. What will happen? Their bonus issue will be added. So you add the proportionate to the share capital of minority interest. Fine. Is it clear? Please raise your hand if it is clear, and if you have a doubt, please ask me. Any question? Ashutosh, Meenakshi, is it clear? Rajjoti?
Ma'am, can you please sum up? कि कहाँ का इफेक्ट होगा इसका?
देखो सिंपल सी बात देखो, that there is, we are taking it out of the post acquisition profit. Now when you're calculating the cost of control, when you will calculate the cost of control, what you will do, first you write the price. Let's say you're paying 5 lakh. Now what are you deducting out of it? Whatever is the paid up value. Let's say it's 2 lakh. I mean, this is a hypothetical example, but there is a bonus issue also. So let's say on 2 lakh there is a bonus issue of 50,000. So what is happening? I'll just explain it with the help of what I have written here. See here, deduct the bonus share from the cost of acquiring or increase the paid up capital held by the holding in the subsidiary company. So while calculating the cost of control, what I am doing, पहले मैं क्या करती, 5 lakh minus 2 lakh करती, लेकिन because there is a bonus issue of 50,000, so what I do, 5 lakh minus 2 lakh 50,000. But that's it, nothing else. Had it been out of the pre-acquisition profit, then मैं उसको minus भी करती pre-acquisition profit में से bonus issue को, but ये bonus issue pre-acquisition में से नहीं है, so I will not do that. The only thing that will happen in cost of control is I'll increase the paid up capital. Is this one point clear, Karthik? Then I'll go to the next point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now secondly, a second easier one I'll tell you, that is minority interest. So let's say the minority interest is 3 lakh. Okay, sorry, not 3 lakh, 1 lakh. Okay, if the minority interest is 1 lakh and let's say 25,000 is the bonus issue, it's not adding up to what I said, by the way, because it's a hypothetical example. Okay, so let's say minority interest is 1 lakh. So I know 1 lakh I will take, and I will also add 25,000 of the bonus issue, just like we used to do in pre-acquisition also, क्योंकि 1 लाख का तो है ही paid up, plus 25,000 का आपने bonus issue किया. Is it clear? Is the second point clear? Okay, now the third complicated point. Now, what about the fact that I am making this bonus issue from the revenue surplus? So when I will, what I'll do is, जो भी मेरा revenue surplus है ना, let's say I have 1 lakh of revenue surplus, and out of this 1 lakh, 75,000 I just told you, 50 plus 25 is the bonus issue. So out of this 1 lakh, 75,000 I have deducted because I have actually done a bonus issue. Now बचा कितना? 25,000. अब ये जो 25,000 बचा है, before the share of holding company and minority interest are calculated from the revenue surplus. So minority interest का revenue surplus में कितना share है वो उसको मिल जाएगा 25,000 का, and जो मैं balance sheet में reserve and surplus जब बनाती हूँ तो उसका जो share आता है वो भी वैसे calculate होगा. ये वाला थोड़ा सा tricky point है जो कि अभी हम question करेंगे तो clear हो जाएगा. Theory clear है? Can I go to the question? Please let me know if there is a doubt, ask. If I can go on, please raise your hands. Okay, fine. Let's start. So I give you 5 minutes, all of you. Please read illustration 20 very carefully. Just read illustration 20. फिर आगे चलते. And when you have all read it, please raise your hand. Just raise your hand when you have read the question. क्या पढ़ लिया? Bhavna, Manali, Manan, have you read it? Illustration 20. Okay. Bhavna has read it. So has Shreya. Okay, let's start. Illustration 20. Okay. Okay, before I start the question, you have to tell me what is the first thing that I'll do? Illustration 20, anyone? What is the first thing that I'll do? Bolo. Anyone? Sorry. The first thing we always do.
Date of acquisition.
Yeah, and then the ratio. Anyone for date of acquisition? Any answers? Anyone? What is the answer?
31st March 2019.
Right.
31st March 2019.
Okay. Now let's check. How about the ratio? Anyone? What is the ratio?
4:1.
4:1.
Correct.
4:1.
Correct. Let's go to one by one the cost of control first. Okay. Let me see the price that I have paid. Please check all of you. What is the price that I have paid for the cost of control?
3 lakh.
3 lakh. It is 3 lakh. To reduce the paid up capital. Yeah. Please be a little careful and tell me how much will be the paid up capital that I will deduct. Will it be 2 lakh? Or if not, then how much? Please check.
2,40,000.
Yes, correct. How did you calculate, beta?
Ma'am, 2 lakh and 2 lakh divided by 5.
Right. It says, the line says that B Limited issued bonus shares in ratio of 1 for every 5 shares. Held out of the profit earned during 2019-20. Now please note, the questions that you have done till now, ये भी बहुत important है. पहले तो आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि actually मैंने bonus issue किया किस में से है, pre में से किया या post में से किया. This line where it is saying held out of the profits earned during 1920. भाई 31st March 2019 को तो एक्विजिशन हो गया. उसके बाद जो प्रॉफिट्स अर्न किए हैं दैट इज 1920 में, उसमें से है आपका बोनस इशू. सो द बोनस इशू इज फ्रॉम पोस्ट एक्विजिशन और प्री एक्विजिशन. एनीवन? कहां से हुआ? Post acquisition. So this is very important. You have to identify that. So okay, I know that it's from post acquisition. So I know. अब मुझे इसमें cost of control में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ये ठीक है, ये ठीक है. अब मैं इसमें से pre acquisition profit निकालती हूँ. अब देखो question में दे रहा है. B Limited had a credit balance of 50,000 in reserves and 20,000 when A acquired shares. So let's say pre acquisition reserves is 50,000, right? So 50,000 ka how much? How much of 50,000? Tell me. Bolo ji. Anyone?
Ma'am, 4/5.
Yes, 4:5. So iska ratio to itna hai. And then it is saying and 20,000 आपका surplus का. So 20,000 का how much? How much of 20,000? Again, the ratio is 4:5. Therefore, my cost of control is, मुझे ये पता है, this is this the cost of control? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This is goodwill or capital reserve? ये बताओ. Is this
Goodwill?
Goodwill, correct. So मैंने इतना extra pay किया. So Karthik, repeating the theory that we just did, हमने क्या बोला? We said that when we will do the cost of control, well, we will calculate the cost of control. The only change that we have to make is that whatever is the bonus issue, जो भी बोनस इशू है आपका, ऑब्वियसली होल्डिंग का सब्सिडरी के जो शेयर्स किए हुए हैं उस पे जो बोनस इशू है वो आपने पेड अप में ऐड करने हैं. ठीक है, यू हैव टू जस्ट ऐड इट इन द पेड अप. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर एवरीवन? This is actually point number. I'll show you also. 3, not 3. Yeah, second that we have just done. Okay. Now we have to do 2 more things, out of which I will tell you to do the first thing, and just be a little careful and just try. You can be wrong, but can you all try to calculate the minority interest? I can just give you the hint that you are obviously going to add the share capital first, then the share in the reserves and share in total profit. So, okay, this is the hint. Come on, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just try. You can be right, don't worry, but just try the calculation. I'm going to stop sharing my screen for a while till you calculate. Yeah, 5 minutes, all of you. Please try. Let me know when you're done, okay? Yes. Are you able to do, any one of you? Or if you want time, I can give you more time also. Minority interest, please. हाँ जी आंसर आया, क्या हुआ? मीनाक्षी, are you able to get it? हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, ये तो बताओ. मेरी हेल्प चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, बताओ. File, what about you? Manan? Nikita. Manali, Karthik. Karthik, are you able to do? Bhavna.
मैम हो गया.
हो गया, ठीक है. Bhavna, I am going to give. Are you doing it on the laptop?
नो मैम.
अच्छा, चलो तो फोटो खींच के भेज दो एक बार, फिर एक्सप्लेन करना, ठीक है. We're waiting for the solution and then Bhavna will explain, then I will explain if there is any confusion. Yes, Bhavna, please send. Yes, Bhavna has sent. All of you, please check her answer that she has sent in the chat box. Right. So calculation of minority interest, she writes paid up value is 50,000. That is 50,000 कैसे, जो कि obviously 2.5 लाख शेयर कैपिटल है, जिसमें से 2 लाख जो है वो होल्ड कर रहा है, तो 50,000 बच गया. Plus there is a bonus issue that has been said that for every 5 share, 1 share has been issued. So 50,000 divided by 5, that is 10,000. So paid up capital comes out to be total 60,000. All right, this is fine. Till here, this is fine. The second that she has shown is the share in the reserve. Okay, all of you please notice. This 50,000, सबसे पहली बात, जब हम minority interest निकालते हैं, हम कौन सा profit लेते हैं? Pre, post या total? ठीक है? Pre, post या total? Now I know मुझे pre दिया हुआ था adjustment में. Excuse me. And whatever is given in the balance sheet, all of you, this is very important. Whatever is given in the balance sheet, is it pre, post or total? Anybody who can answer? Whatever profit is given in the balance sheet is pre, post or total? Anyone?
Total.
Total, right? So that is total. So I know मुझे minority interest के लिए total चाहिए होता है. There's a problem with my throat, just a minute. Yeah. So I need total, right? So let's say what she has done is, there can be another way to do it also. Let me just first understand what she has done. So she has done 50,000 as it is उसने लिया, 50,000 का share उसने 1:5 दिया, that is 10,000. Then what she did, surplus was also there 1 lakh. Because the bonus issue is out of post acquisition, so from this 1 lakh she has deducted 50,000. It becomes 50,000. Then again 1/5 of 50,000 is 10,000. So the total minority interest she is showing is 80,000. Another way to do it is, I'll show you my screen, all of you. So what you can do is, so I mean, you can either add up the entire reserve and surplus, that is in the balance sheet I have 50,000 plus 1 lakh, so that is 1,50,000. Out of this 1,50,000, 50,000 is the this is the job total profit रह गया after bonus issue, and this I can do the 1/5 of this, right? 1/5 of this I can do. So therefore the answer will be the same, and hence my minority interest becomes 80,000. Is the calculation of minority interest clear, all of you? If there is any doubt till here, please ask me. So this was point number 3. ये है आपका point number 3. ठीक है? Actually, this is a combination of point number 3 and 1. How? I'll tell you. Add the proportionate share, वो हमने कर लिया. Second चीज हमने क्या की? Deduct the bonus issue from the revenue surplus before the share of holding company and minority interest are calculated from the revenue surplus. Now, one part of this is still remaining. Now, what is that part? Let's see. So we know the first thing we had to do was the cost of control. Second thing was minority interest. And now we come to the reserve and surplus. Now, if I see the balance sheet, A Limited has a reserve of 3 lakh. That is going to be added as it is. There is no doubt about it. And then 1 lakh also is there surplus. So this is going to be added. Now the other thing is the share. That is 4/5 वाला जो share है वो अभी भी रहता है. Now please note all of you if you remember. So pre-acquisition I have already adjusted in the cost of control. Minority interest के पास होता है pre and post दोनों का, that is total उसका share. Now what is left? Okay. Now I know that in the balance sheet if I see B Limited, I see 50,000 plus 1 lakh. Now I know that this 50,000 plus 1 lakh, 1,50,000 is actually the total or post. It's the total. Now I also know if I see it here, let's say प्री अगर मैं देखूं तो यहां मैं लिख देती हूँ reserves. Here I'll write surplus. This is given in the adjustment. So reserves it is saying I think 50,000 and surplus it is take it 20,000. So total I have 50,000 and here I have 1 lakh. Am I right? If you see this table, all of you, please. Is this correct? Can I find out post from this? Please check. Yes, this one. If you see this table, is this correct and can we calculate the post from this? देखो बताओ. So please tell me the post acquisition then. बोलो. How much will be the post
acquisition surplus 80,000.
80,000, ma'am.
80,000. Okay, so you're saying this one is 80,000 and here there is nil. We'll just check. Same. Okay. All right. Now I know this is 80,000. Okay. Fine. अब क्या करूं? मुझे चाहिए था रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस. यहाँ मेरे पास 3 लाख तो एज इट इज ए लिमिटेड का आ गया, बी लिमिटेड का 1 लाख आ गया और मेरे पास यहाँ पे पोस्ट एक्विजिशन है 80,000. What do I do now? Anyone? Just think about it and tell me.
We need to deduct the amount of bonus shares, like 50,000, ma'am.
Right. So if you're saying 80,000, let's say 80,000 minus 50,000, 30,000 is still remaining. So if 30,000 is still remaining, then how much will be the share here that will be added?
Ma'am,
4 by 5.
4:5. Ma'am means 4/5 कर देंगे we.
Right. Exactly.
30,000.
So what we can do is I can show it to you here. So 30,000 में से क्योंकि because why are we doing it? The bonus issue is from post acquisition profit. So I have to reduce this. I have 30,000 and 4/5 is still is not shown anywhere in the balance sheet. So I show it here and thus this becomes this much. And therefore the total of the reserve surplus that I'll show it in the balance sheet is going to be this much. Please note there is an error in the book. I think in reserves and surplus in the balance sheet in the solution they have written 4,24,200. So it's not 200. 2 की जगह 0 कर दो. ठीक है? Clear है? Any confusion? Any doubt? Okay. If there is no doubt, fine. If there is no doubt, please make the balance sheet. And this time I'm giving you more time. You'll make the balance sheet also. You'll make the notes to account also. And please send it in the group right now after maybe 10 minutes or so. Do it. अभी सब पता चल जाएगा. How much have you understood? Please send it, all of you. There's any other adjustment? No, there's no other adjustment. So it's a simple question. There's no revaluation of asset, nothing. Start, all of you. I'm going to stop my screen till then. are you done? Please start sending if you're done. हो गया? कितना टाइम और लगेगा? क्या हो गया? सारी कैलकुलेशन के बाद भी नहीं हो रहा सॉल्व? बैलेंस शीट बन रही है? मीनाक्षी, संध्या, कार्तिक, आशुतोष? आशुतोष आज तुम कहाँ गायब हो? सो रहे हो? भावना has sent, I'll check. हाँ हाँ बोलो आशुतोष, नींद में हो?
नहीं मैम, मेरा नेटवर्क बहुत प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है, बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहा है मैम.
अच्छा ठीक, ओके. Okay, let me check. Sandhya has sent, Bhavna has sent. Let me see Bhavna first. Okay, so Bhavna has 8 lakh, right? This is at 424, and this is fine. Minority interest 80,000, current liabilities 250. ठीक है, 4-5 ठीक है, okay. Property plant is 90, tangible 4,000. All right, current assets. So next page. Okay, Bhavna, first page is fine. Contingency is 6 lakh. Okay. Notes to accounts. Share capital. We have shown general reserve 3, 4, 3 plus 1. This is fine. Trade payables you have 250, right? 6, 7, 950, tangible 4,000. ओके अच्छा बचे एक सेकेंड. अगर आप कॉस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल वहां अलग से दिखा रहे हो देन इट्स फाइन. अदरवाइज यहाँ जो टेंजिबल एसेट में दिखाया, ये इनटेंजिबल एसेट में गुडविल दिखाया, तो उसका कैलकुलेशन यहाँ कॉस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल का यहाँ भी दिखा सकते हो. नहीं तो अलग से भी दिखाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, 4,000 कैसे कैलकुलेट हुआ है. करंट एसेट 60. ये क्या हुआ तुम्हारा? ओके ठीक है. अच्छा एक चीज और इन्होंने शायद, हाँ इसकी ये भी गलत किया हुआ है इन्होंने नोट्स टू अकाउंट में. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन नोट करंट एसेट 60,000 और 20,000 लिखा हुआ है. सो वो एक्चुअली 4 लाख एंड 2 लाख है एज शी हैज डन. गुड, फाइन भावना, गुड, राइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज संध्या. Alright, Household asset 56 lakh, okay. And then we have the reserves and surplus. ये क्या है संध्या? What is this? 1,50,000 minus 70,000, 80,000 minus 50,000. ये कैसे दिखाया तुमने? कैलकुलेशन समझ नहीं आया मुझे कुछ. रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस का है ना संध्या? संध्या, आर यू लिसनिंग? तो सिंपल कैलकुलेशन था ना इसमें. 3 और 1 तो ठीक है. ये जो 24,000 तुम दिखा रही हो, ये दिखा रही हो तुम, एक सेकेंड, 1,50,000, ठीक है. 1,50,000
मैम ये 70 तो प्री का है और मैम
हाँ मैं वही तो पूछ रही हूँ उससे. ये संध्या ने भेजा ना?
यस मैम, बट मेरे ख्याल से 70 तो प्री का है इसलिए माइनस किया है. जो आपने कैलकुलेशन बताई थी ना 1,50,000 से सीधा 50,000 माइनस, वही वाली है.
नहीं वो वाली उसकी जरूरत नहीं है ना. फिर सीधा 1,50,000 मतलब डिफरेंट हो गया. बट वो यही है कि इसने ऐसे करके दिखाया हुआ है. चलो ठीक है, फाइन, ओके. पेड अप हो गया 6,1. ओके फाइन. करंट लायबिलिटी एंड देन वी हैव प्रॉपर्टी, ठीक है. करंट, ठीक है, ओके, ऑलराइट. चलिए ठीक है. Anyway, so I mean obviously there are different ways of doing it. That's not important. But what is basically important is, now before I sum up, I will ask you, one of you, कि let's say there is post acquisition profit and the bonus issue that you are making is out of post acquisition profit. What are the various adjustments that you will have to make? Let's start with, do we have Nikita here? No? Okay. Karthik, can you give me any one adjustment जो आप करोगे for bonus issue out of post acquisition? Karthik.
मैम वो उसका रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस का एप्रोप्रिएट पोर्शन माइनॉरिटी इंटरेस्ट में भी ऐड हो जाएगा.
ठीक है, ओके. बट देन इसमें ये तो मैं ध्यान
along with
रखना
the
है
increase in paid capital.
क्या. सो इन द माइनॉरिटी इंटरेस्ट पहले तो बोनस इशू जो भी जितना भी है वो पेड अप में ऐड हो जाएगा. एंड देन वट एवर रेवेन्यू सरप्लस का जो उसका पोर्शन है माइनॉरिटी इंटरेस्ट का, उसमें से रेवेन्यू सरप्लस उसको देने से पहले मुझे माइनस करना पड़ेगा द बोनस इशू. ठीक है, ओके, दैट्स वन. भावना, एनी अदर पॉइंट if there is a bonus issue out of post acquisition? भावना.
मैम गुडविल पे अफेक्ट करता है नेट इफेक्ट पे.
कैसे? हाँ वो बताओ, समझाओ, वो एक्सप्लेन करो.
मैम इससे हमारी पेड अप वैल्यू तो इंक्रीज हो जाती है लेकिन प्री एक्वाइजिशन माइनस नहीं होता, कम नहीं होता.
हाँ तो ओनली पेड अप वैल्यू इंक्रीज होती है. सो विच मीन्स दैट टेक्निकली उतना कम हो जाता है आपका. ठीक है, सो दैट्स वन. ओके, दैट्स सेकंड एक्चुअली. द थर्ड इज लेफ्ट नाउ. संध्या, आर यू देयर? थर्ड पॉइंट रिजर्व.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम मेरा नेटवर्क मींस अभी डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था. आप क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हो मुझे नहीं पता.
मैं पूछ रही हूँ, मैं थर्ड पॉइंट, थर्ड एडजस्टमेंट पूछ रही हूँ. अगर सपोज देयर इज अ बोनस इशू आउट ऑफ पोस्ट एक्विजिशन प्रॉफिट, देन व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द ट्रीटमेंट और कैलकुलेशन ऑफ रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस दैट यू विल शो इन द बैलेंस शीट?
मैम प्लीज कैन यू रिपीट?
I'm saying that when there is a bonus issue out of post acquisition profit, what will be the calculation or treatment of reserve and surplus that you will show in the balance sheet?
ओके मैम.
So
बताओ.
ma'am, we will deduct the amount of bonus shares from post acquisition profits, and then the
And
share
proportionate
share
share.
of holding company will be shown in the balance sheet.
Okay, fine. Right, correct. All right, so I think that's it. So with this, we have finished bonus issue today. Okay, so both from pre we did last time, today we did post, and then I'm obviously going to start with the next adjustment. I won't start it right now. So let's do it on a Tuesday. Yeah, I just want to inform